So on today's episode of Marvel's Mopar Madness, we came out here to look at this 77 Monaco. 318, got the lean burn in it. They were thinking the timing chain was out of it. It's got a hellacious noise. We'll get you fired up here. Really pretty clean car, just a little rusty. I've already diagnosed this problem. May not be able to hear it on video, but it sounds like it's got a little slap or something going on with the timing chain. Lean burn systems all have evap or emission control on them. Really pronounced on this side. You always come in and you want to check the crossover tube. It ain't connected to nothing. Quieter right now. We'll do away with that. Let's cut it, put a plug in it, weld it. No more lugging, no more chugging. Next one will be saved and back on the road.